Hello children, welcome you in bio class. Children, you have to study oxidation of pyruvic acid. You studied in glycolysis, glucose is converted into pyruvic acid in the cytoplasm of the cell. Conversion of glucose into pyruvic acid is called glycolysis. But how this pyruvic acid is oxidized? Under anaerobic condition, pyruvic acid is oxidized into ethanol and carbon dioxide in plant, but in animal it is oxidized into lactic acid. Under aerobic condition, pyruvic acid is oxidized through Krebs cycle in mitochondria into carbon dioxide in water. So children, you have to study aerobic oxidation of pyruvic acid. Under aerobic oxidation, pyruvic acid is oxidized through Krebs cycle in mitochondria. Before entering in the Krebs cycle, it enters in mitochondria. It is decarboxylated and combined with a molecule of coenzyme A. It forms acetyl-CoA. Because you have studied pyruvic acid is produced in glycolysis in the cytoplasm of the cell. Pyruvic acid have to enter in the mitochondria. So how does it enter in mitochondria? Before entering into the mitochondria, pyruvic acid is converted into acetyl-CoA. So how does pyruvic acid is converted into acetyl-CoA? You see, there is the carboxylation reaction, due to which from the pyruvic acid one molecule of carbon dioxide removed. Again, dehydrogenation reaction, then one molecule of NADPH formed, and pyruvic acid combined with a molecule of coenzyme A, then it will produce acetyl coenzyme A. Therefore, formation of acetyl CoA is from pyruvic acid, coenzyme A, and one molecule of NADP, and product are acetyl CoA, NADH plus HN and carbon dioxide. This reaction is catalyzed by pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme. This reaction is called oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvic acid. So during oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvic acid, from pyruvic acid combine with coenzyme A and produce acetyl-CoA.